Hey guys, I was not able to attend the Lone Star Disc Championship, but I did buy their Platinum Players Pack. I want to show you exactly what it includes. This is straight from Lone Star, and we'll go ahead and open it up. I have not got a peek in here. I did see a few other players packs, and they are sweet. So we'll go ahead and whatever's on top, that's just your little information sheet. First things first. This is their Made in Texas hoodie. This thing is sweet and just made by Gorilla. Can't wait to wear that. Has all the different disc names on it. And then you get your bag of goodies. And they also throw a extra disc in as well. Those Texas Rangers and that Bicentennial are sweet. Can't wait to throw that Bravo 175. Let's see what goodies we got. We get the drawstring bag. Inside of that, straight off the top, is that Lone Star Mini. It is pretty tough, but looks really good. I do like that purple look. I got the Lone Star Disc Towel. I've been told these things are really, really nice. They are very big as well. So if you don't want to use it as a towel, I guess you could use it as a backdrop for your YouTube channel. Then I believe that is the penny. They're the Benny. I'm sorry, I said penny. I meant Benny. Oh man, that is sweet looking. If you can't see, it says Lone Star in the foil there. And that is the Bearcat. This is an unreleased disc until Black Friday, and 180. Oh man, I like the feel of that. And it's got that same stamp. We got a Hooligan Vibe. That does feel like the Flex one. I don't think it says it on there. A little pop top. That thing's got a bomb. Then we have an Oracle, and this, I believe, yep, the Aroma Blend. If you smell, go ahead and smell it. Should smell like sage. And we got a pink Warbird, I believe, Founders. And that thing is pretty flat. That thing looks sweet as well. Let's see what else I got. I got a pair of black socks. These come in 2 different varieties on their website, so that's pretty awesome. Almost done. Got some jerky that's going to be used in a tournament this weekend, and it is a garlic parmesan flavor. I got some more jerky. This one's just in a little can. This is just teriyaki, and 1 patch right here. Looks pretty sweet. Oh, make that 2 patches. One is an iron-on, one is a Velcro. Overall, this turned out to be a really sweet Platinum Players Pack. Got 2 different iron-on. Got a bag. Got jerky times 2. Got a pair of socks. Got a hoodie. And got a number of discs. We got that Warbird, Oracle, Vibe, Bearcat, Benny. Got that Texas Ranger. Got a Mini. And got that sweet looking towel. Thank you guys so much for watching. I don't know if you can pick these up anymore, but I'm sure people have many of these discs available to trade or whatnot. But thanks for watching.